Hey, what's up? My name is Derek Wall, and I'm a handgun owner. Now, this little raspberry colored Ruger LCB 380 fires 6.38 caliber .30 .3 sorry, I can't even talk today. .380, automatic. I don't know what the ACP stands for, but it almost looks like a little 38 shrunk down. That's to the side. It's a flat tip cap. I call them hammerheads. And what we're going to do now is talk about handgun safety. That's the number one most important thing, responsibility with it too. I got it in the slide back position because I'm going to show you how to put this lock in. The lock takes one key. They usually give you two every time you purchase these. Put it in there to unlock it. Just put it like that when you're not using it. Okay. When you unload your weapon, you gotta make sure it's empty. Both the chamber and the magazine are clear. Now, I'm gonna slip it through magazine case. See that it comes out the other end. Push down. And right there, all you have to do is remove the key, and you're done. That's how you do that. And always make sure you keep it hidden away from children, and keep the ammo separate as well. Hopefully this will serve as a good lesson for everybody.